Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for clicking on the Tuesday Afternoon Weather Webcast for August 5th, 2014. I'm meteorologist Nate Harrington. I appreciate you clicking on to it. A lot warmer this afternoon, a lot more humid. Do have a very few showers out there right now. Mostly dry for us today. I think we could see a few pop-up showers for the rest of the afternoon, but that'll be it. And then the next couple of days are looking pretty dry indeed, and even through the end of the week too. So we'll check out that forecast here in a few minutes. Let's talk about clouds and rain over the Wiregrass for today. Most of our hometowns have been dry. We do see a few showers and some clouds starting to spark up. A few down near the beaches, also in the northern end of our viewing area. Folks in Pike County and Barber County seeing a shower right now. And some of this rain could make it down here, but basically dry for most of the Wiregrass at this hour, the 2 o'clock hour. 92 in Nothin. It is warm. 95 in Blakely, 94 in Abbeville. Don't really buy the 99 in Donaldsonville. Their thermometer always runs hot. It seems like it's always 99 there. 91 in Troy, Ozark Enterprise, 90 in Geneva, 94 in Andalusia. I buy that one. 92 in Panama City. Everybody in the 90s, just like we told you yesterday, it was going to be warm and it was going to be humid for this afternoon. Dew points in the upper 60s and low 70s. Plenty of humidity out there. And if any showers do form, they've got plenty of juice in the atmosphere to work with. There's the feels like temperature. This is what the combination of heat and humidity will feel like outside, and it feels like the upper 90s for most folks out there. It feels like 100 degrees in Blakely. Feels like 98 in Troy, Andalusia, and Mariana. Feels like 97 in Bonifay. Feels like 98 up in Abbeville. So the showers have mainly stayed down to the south off the Gulf Coast. We did see a hint of a sea breeze start to fire up, and that's where the showers are right now, mainly to the east of Pensacola, probably between Pensacola and Fort Walton Beach, pretty good spot. And then we've got some showers off to the north between Montgomery and, say, Troy. Those showers are due to a persistent trough that's been over the east coast of the U.S. for the last several days. Those showers have sparked up. It's a very weak trough, but it's something that's initiated some showers, and these are going to float very, very slowly down to the south and east. So that's why I think some of us could see a shower, but I think most of us stay dry for this afternoon. Let's talk about the east coast of the U.S., seeing some showers off the Outer Banks coast, all due to an area of low pressure that's being swept up by the, well, I don't want to say remnants of Bertha. It's a tropical storm, air quotes. It doesn't look like much of anything. It looks like it has lost all of its tropical characteristics, and it's just kind of caught up in this mean flow of this trough. And if you had to ask me, that's what I would say. But it's still technically a tropical storm. We'll check out Bertha here in a second. Some showers down south in South Florida. Another round of rain for those folks today. You see the futurecast. You see the scattered convection we've got around for this afternoon. I think 20 to 30%, that's it as far as rain chances go. Then for Wednesday morning, we stay dry and maybe some fog to start off with, and very isolated showers for Wednesday. 10 to 20% chances of rain. That is not very good for Wednesday or Thursday. And actually Friday is not looking too wet either. So chances of rain aren't going to be that great as we head throughout the rest of the work week. Future temperatures for tomorrow morning, middle and low 70s to start off with. We'll see highs, I think a little warmer than today, in the middle 90s in most spots. 93, 94, maybe 95 degrees for most folks around the Wiregrass, and those scattered showers could cool you off, but I think most of us will stay dry. The tropical satellite view, it's hard to pick out where Bertha is, but it's the large cloud mass to the north of the other cloud mass. It's never really been that well of a defined storm, and it continues to show that it is not that well defined. But there's the center of Bertha, I guess. 60-mile-an-hour winds moving very quickly to the north and northeast. This is as of the 1 o'clock intermediate advisory. I do not think this is going to be a tropical storm by the evening advisory. I would be totally shocked if it retains its tropical characteristics. But the Hurricane Center has done crazy things before, and this wouldn't shock me, I guess, if it stayed a tropical storm. But we also have tropical storms over in the west, off the west coast in the Pacific. Those could be impacting Hawaii. I'll have more on that coming up on News 4 at 5, 6, and 10. Also, the 5-day forecast, too, on News 4 at 5, 6, and 10. Also, on WRGX News at 5:30 and the CW Primetime News at 9. Thanks for clicking on the Afternoon Weather Webcast. We'll see you back here on Wednesday.